Hola chicos, hoy vamos a aprender sobre los verbos en combinación. So take a look at this sheet y voy a definir unas palabras. Primero, el infinitivo. Infinitivo es un verbo con AR, ER o IR. For example, hablar, comer, vivir. They're not changed. The infinitive is the base form. It means to, and then whatever the verb is, to walk, to talk. So sería hablar, comer, vivir, any of those. Detrás de significa behind or after. Conjugado significa conjugated, y en este caso es como like bailas. Bailas is conjugated because it's not still in the infinitive format. Conjugar es el verbo to conjugate. Poner significa to put. Algunas, some. Idiomáticas or idiomatic phrases, that just means something doesn't translate well. Y ojo, en este caso significa be careful. So, vemos aquí, un verbo en combinación es cuando un infinitivo, your infinitive, está detrás de otro verbo conjugado. So we have an infinitive directly after a conjugated verb. So it might be something like puedo, conjugated, ir, not conjugated, infinitive. Puedo ir al baño. Both of those verbs reflect back to the person, like in this case, yo. Puedo ir al baño. Necesito comer. So, necesitamos conjugar primer verbo, pero tenemos que poner segundo verbo en infinitivo. Here are some examples. Querer, que significa to want. ¿Quieres salir? Do you want to go out tonight? Necesitar, necesito ducharme. I need to shower myself. Now, we would not conjugate duchar because necesito is already conjugated. Otherwise, it would be I need, I shower myself, and that's a little strange. So you just say necesito ducharme, like I need to shower myself. Pensar significa to plan in this case. So piensan estudiar, tus amigos, do they plan to study? Deber and poder aren't verbs in English, so it's a little tricky. So I'm going to call them something different. So this is should, but maybe we'll say like need. So it'll be like you all need to clean. Or instead of saying can, I'm going to say to be able to. Like we are able to play. Podemos jugar. Y preferir significa to prefer. So ella prefiere bailar. She prefers to dance. So in all these cases, after our underlined conjugated word, we have an infinitive. No está conjugado. It's not changed. Salir, duchar, estudiar, limpiar, jugar, bailar. Pero hay algunas frases idiomáticas que son importantes también. Tenemos ir a, which is future, like I'm going to study. So voy a estudiar. Vas a comer. And whatever's here is the infinitive. Tener ganas de significa to want to or to desire to do something. So it'd be like quiero comer. Quiero hacer tarea. Tengo ganas de dormir. Tengo ganas de salir de la escuela. And then tener que means to have to. So like tengo que limpiar mi cuarto. Tengo que estudiar español. So you might say something like tengo ganas de salir con amigos, pero tengo que estudiar. Tratar de significa to try to do something, like I'm trying to walk, I'm trying to dance. Hay que también significa to have to. It's like necesito, like necesito hacer mi tarea. Hay que hacer mi tarea, which is the same as es necesario. So it'd be like es necesario hacer mi tarea. También hay otras frases que siempre usan verbos en el infinitivo, like here, here, and here. Antes de means before, so like antes de comer, me gusta cocinar. Después de correr, me gusta ducharme. So this is after and before, and the thing has the infinitive after it. And in this case, the infinitive kind of means like ing. So like antes de comer would be like before eating, but it's still in the infinitive in Spanish. Para significa in order to. So en este caso, like estudio mucho para sacar buenas notas. I study a lot to get good grades. Y cuidado, ojo, this presente progresivo no es una estructura diferente, es una estructura diferente. It's totally different. These are more verbs in combination, like two things where they both refer to the same subject. The first one's conjugated, the second one isn't. And that's the same way we do it in Spanish, in English, so that makes sense. So if you have any questions, please make sure you reach out and ask, but hopefully that gives a good introduction into verbs in combination.